Button Box. The story is written by Aparna Kapoor and illustrated by Adiraj Ghosh. And this book is published by Pratham Books. Red button, blue button, old button, new button. Button nose, button rose, whatever you wear, a button knows. Button box, button bowl, if you stumble, buttons roll. Down the drain, behind the drapes, this is how a button escapes. If they break, you can stitch them. If they are lost, simply switch them. Twist and turn, pull and clutch. With buttons, you can expect too much. Better than a zip, better than a string, solid and reliable. Buttons are your thing. They ask no questions, they tell no lies. Just stay away from button eyes. Button faded, button shiny, button enormous, button tiny, button round, button square, button where, button there. Bottom button, button top, button, 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 stop. Whatever you wear, a button knows. After all, that's the way a button rolls. A story as cute as a button. Thank you.